इंडो अमेरिका स्पोकन इंस्टीट्यूट में आपका स्वागत है।
Hello.
Good morning, sir. Is this Sunshine Nursing College?
Yes, this is a Sunshine Nursing College. How may I help you, sir?
My name is Nitesh Prajapati. I want to take admission in nursing course.
That's great. Have you completed 12th?
Yes, sir. I have completed my 12th with biology.
Then you are eligible this course.
Becoming nursing is my dream, sir. I want to help sick people.
That is a very novel dream. Nurse is a very important in this hospital.
But, sir, my family is very poor. I am worried about fees.
Don't worry, sir. Our college provide a scholarship deserving student.
Really, that makes me very happy, sir. What document do you need for admission, sir?
You need documents, 10th, 12th mark sheet and ID proof and some photos.
Okay, sir. I will come to college with my all document.
We will be happy to see you.
Thank you for giving me hope.
You are welcome. Never give up your dream.
I will do work hard and become a good nurse one day.
Best of luck, sir. Best of luck in your future, sir.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You are welcome, sir.